Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about unsending an email in Gmail. Have you ever sent an email and then immediately regretted it or realized you forgot something or made a mistake? Well, you can undo an email that you have sent in Gmail. You don't have a lot of time. You have from 5 to 30 seconds to change your mind, but let me show you how to undo it. I have a sample email sent up and I would hit send, and then I realized that something's wrong, and down here I have the undo. I would click on undo and it tells me that my sending was undone and brings the email back in case you want to change it and then resend it. Your default is probably set up at only giving you 5 seconds to change your mind before that undo message goes away. But you can change that to up to 30 seconds. So let me show you how to do it. Go up here into your settings. Then you're going to click See All Settings. Going to get rid of the email. And then right over here where you see the message that says Undo Send and the send cancellation period, you can see that mine is set for 5 seconds. But if I click on the drop down window, I can change that either to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. So if I want to give myself the most amount of time, 30 seconds, I would just click that, and then I would go all the way down to the bottom, make sure to click on the Save Changes, and now the default is 30 seconds for me to change my mind. So I hope this helps you and hope it's something that maybe you can use. Thanks.